स्वागत है आप सभी का इस नए लेक्चर में। तो आज हम इस लेक्चर में MCQs ऑन कॉजेस एंड डिटेक्शन ऑफ डैमेजेस, ये हमारा मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, ये जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है, इस सब्जेक्ट का सेकेंड यूनिट है और इसका नाम है कॉजेस एंड डिटेक्शन ऑफ डैमेजेस। तो आज के इस लेक्चर में हम ये जो हमारा सेकेंड यूनिट है इस पर हम MCQs देख लेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, major damages to the structure are usually caused by option A industrial gas, option B natural climates, option C artificial rain, option D none of these. The right answer is natural climates. Question number 2, main cause of damage in structure is option A irregular planning, option B poor construction, option C foundation failure, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 3, dash is nothing but gradual disintegration or account of any destructive action from various aggressive agencies. Option A deterioration, option B damage, option C distraction, option D none of these. The right answer is deterioration. Question number 4, dash is the natural phenomenon that causes shaking of ground by sudden release of energy from earth crust. Option A flood, option B distress in structure, option C earthquake, option D none of these. The right answer is earthquake. Question number 5, for better seismic performance, earthquake resistant construction should have option A good structural configuration, option B more ductility, option C good deformability, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 6, wind damage basically come into dash category. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The right answer is 2. Question number 7, a heavy wind in which basic wind pressure is high may damage. Option A trace, option B power lines, option C small structure, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 8, the effect of flood is the damage of option A power transmission, option B loss of power, option C property damages, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 9, the capillary penetration from the ground up through the concrete or masonry is referred as option A earthquake, option B distress in structure, option C dampness, option D none of these. The right answer is dampness. Question number 10, dampness produces the failure of option A roofing material, option B power transmission, option C loss of lives, and option D none of these. The right answer is roofing material. Question number 11, the primary causes of dampness are option A porous masonry, option B cracks, option C defects in point, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 12, corrosion is dash process. Option A natural, option B artificial, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is natural. Question number 13, NPMA means option A National Post Management Association, option B National Pre-Management Association, option C National Post Management Analysis, and option D none of these. The right answer is National Post Management Association. Question number 14, dash is the term used to denote the decay and damage of a structure due to continuous neglect in maintenance and repair. Option A dampness, option B dilapidation, option C corrosion, option D none of these. The right answer is dilapidation. Question number 15, The primary step in the direction of systematic approach for damage detection is option A. To ascertain the extent of damages. Option B. Items of damages or decay. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 16. Damage detection depends on option A. Amount of energy. Option B. Effect span on it. Option C. Nature of defect. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 17. Which step is involved before repairs or maintenance? Option A. Preliminary investigation. Option B. Physical inspection. Option C. Material testing. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 18. Drawings, specifications, interaction and discussion with local citizens are under. Option A. Preliminary investigation. Option B. Physical inspection. Option C. Material testing. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is physical inspection. Question number 19. NDT means in concrete. Option A. Non-destructive test. Option B. No deformation test. Option C. Non-deflection test. And option D. All of the above. The right answer is non-destructive test. Question number 20. Which one is not non-destructive test? Option A. Rebound hammer. Option B. Ultrasonic pulse velocity. Option C. Compression test. And option D. core test. The right answer is compression test. Question number 21. Rebound hammer test is preliminary used for determination of option A. Concrete strength. Option B. Steel strength. Option C. Plastic strength. Option D. None of these. The right answer is concrete strength. Question number 22. Rebound hammer is developed in option A. 1958. Option B. 1948. Option C. 1968. Option D. 1978. The right answer is 1948. Question number 23. In rebound hammer, the measured distance travelled by the hammer on graduated scale is called option A. Rebound number. Option B. Hammer number. Option C. Rebound index. And option D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 24. Keep the plunger of rebound hammer touching to the surface. Option A. Horizontal. Option B. Vertical. Option C. Inclined position. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 25. Rebound number increases as the strength. Option A. Increases. Option B. Decreases. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. The right answer is decreases. Question number 26. For accurate observation, rebound hammer test is repeat for dash times on the same point at the same surface. Option A 3. Option B 4. Option C 5. Option D 6. The right answer is 5. Question number 27. When the rebound number is greater than 40, quality of concrete is option A. Very good. Option B. Good. Option C. Fair. Option D. Very poor. Right answer is very good. Question number 28. When the rebound number is 0, quality of concrete is option A. Very good. Option B. Good. Option C. Fair. Option D. Very poor. The right answer is very poor. Question number 29. In ultrasonic pulse velocity, vibration frequency in the range of option A. 10 to 15 Hz. Option B. 15 to 60 Hz. Option C. 60 to 70 Hz. And option D. 70 to 80 Hz. The right answer is 15 to 60 Hz. Question number 30. Pulse velocity is depends upon the ऑप्शन ए डेंसिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट, ऑप्शन बी इलास्टिक मॉड्यूलस ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट, ऑप्शन सी both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 31. Ultrasonic pulse velocity method consists of measuring the dash of traveling by an ultrasonic pulse passing through concrete which to be tested. Option A time, option B light, option C speed, option D velocity. The right answer is time. Question number 32. How many ways of measuring pulse velocity through concrete? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The right answer is 3. Question number 33. If the pulse velocity is greater than 4500 meter per second, then the concrete quality is option A excellent, option B good, option C medium, option D poor. The right answer is excellent. Question number 34. If the pulse velocity is in between 3000 to 3500 meter per second, then the concrete quality is option A excellent, option B good, option C medium, option D poor. The right answer is medium. Question number 35. If the pulse velocity is less than 3000 meter per second, then the concrete quality is option A excellent, option B good, option C medium, option D poor. The right answer is poor. Question number 36. The rebar locator, also known as option A cover gauge, option B cover meter, option C rebar identifier, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 37. Dash is the process of detecting the cracks with their width and depth produced in the structure. Option A crack detection microscope test, option B chloride test, option C rebar locator test, and option D ultrasonic pulse velocity test. The right answer is crack detection microscope test. Question number 38. Which factor affects rebar locator test results? Option A arrangement of reinforcement and metal ties, option B variation in iron content of cement, option C use of aggregate with magnetic properties, and option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 39. In crack detection microscope test, the eyepiece scale and be turned through. Option A 360 degree, option B 270 degree, option C 180 degree, and option D 90 degree. The right answer is 360 degree. Question number 40. Protection against sulfate attack can be achieved by using concrete with low permeability cement with low dash content. Option A C2 yes, option B C3 yes, option C C3A, option D none of these. The right answer is C3A. Thank you for watching this video. आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब